Thank you for your unconditional love and care. I love you, and I miss you. And say hi to Dad for me. Nah, restart that.
I'm dedicate this song to the family, to my mom. It's all love.
Talofa. Nah, it's fine. What's up?
Hello.
Hello, Fualaau. Kia ora.
Hi, my name is Theresa Saipani-Fuala'au Porter Moibai. I am Aunty Theresa's namesake.
Aunty Theresa, when it was just myself and Adonai living with them back in 2013. Yes. My dad was in California, or still is. He's in California, and he was having heart surgery. And Aunty Theresa, she went out her way to give me a ticket to ride the bus, the Greyhound, all the way to California, because she was so adamant that I had to be there because that was my dad. And she made it happen, and I caught the Greyhound last minute, but she made sure that I was always well taken care of, and that was one of my most memorable moments with her. Hello, my name is Iaeli Fualaau. I am one of many of her nieces.
Anytime my dad tried to scold me, my mom would just show up out of nowhere and just be like, "Go to your room, I got this."
I am thankful for my mom taking care of me and my siblings, or my siblings and I, and for just doing the best she could in raising us and instilling in us what's the word? Good virtues.
One of the things I really admire about Mom was the fact that she just loved everyone, no matter who it was, whether it was people on the street or in the church, wherever they were. She loved everyone the same.
She loved to spoil me. She adopted my siblings. In grade school, she would walk us to school and she'd make me hold my siblings' hands. My name is Nicholas Fualaau, best known as Nicky. I am 28 years old. I live in Washington. I am the youngest child of Papa and Theresa Fualaau. I'm taken. I am thankful to be the favorite child.
A memory that stands out when she saved me was when I went to a dinner. It was for Utopia, and I think I lied to my parents where I was going, and I went to Seattle, and then when I was coming back in my dad's car, his car totally died. And I was with some of my friends, and then I had to call my other friend Elena to come pick me up from some restaurant in Seattle. And then I called my mom. She told me to leave a note on the car, and then I left a note, got home, and then she went in the morning to take care of the whole thing. and then I didn't do anything after that. But yeah, she basically just told me to come home, and then in the morning she'll take care of it. And then I never ever seen that car again.
I admire her stubbornness.
Very detailed oriented.
Her voice. It ranges from when she's serious. She has a unique voice. She's very soft. When she gets serious, oh yeah, she gonna get loud.
Mom's voice was different. It was very loving. She never really yelled at us or anything. It was very high pitched. Didn't sound like a typical Samoan mom's voice.
My mom's voice was like really opposite of my dad. My dad's voice was like so loud and like booming. Like if he would just say our names like one time, we could hear it from all the way upstairs. My mom's voice is always soft, and she was super like soft spoken, and at the same time she was really like strong. Something people might not know about her is my mom had a crush on Aragorn in Lord of the Rings. And I don't think she wanted me to say that. I think she had a crush on Aragorn. I'm pretty sure.
Charitable.
My mom, she's always been like, I've always admired her. I've always like wanted to be like her, even when I was young. And she was always so kind to people, and she was so strong. So I always admired that about her. My name is Nat Fualaau. I'm the second oldest child of Popea Fualaau and Theresa Saipani-Fuala'au.
Faithful, honesty, and caring. Beautiful, soft, humble.
She was really strong-minded, and she always spoke what was on her mind. Something she liked to do for fun, she loved reading, whether it was the Bible or if it was like books that were about the Bible. And she loved watching Lord of the Rings, like we all did, and The Hobbit.
When it came to ministry, Mom was not only loving, but she was very Mom had a servant heart. She was always willing to serve others. Never wanted to be in the spotlight. Always rather sit in the back and serve other people.
She treated everyone honestly better than she treated herself. She was always looking out for everybody. Always worried about everyone else before herself.
My mom never embarrassed me. She was always caring. Like I never I can't remember a time where she embarrassed me or.
Aunty Theresa
Mom was a very beautiful person inside and out. I think I heard a lot of stories about back then when a lot of guys wanted to date her, but I guess Dad was the lucky one that stole Mom's heart. To me, Mom was a superhero, kind of like Superwoman, Wonder Woman, whatever. She was everything and more. She always went out of her way to do things for us. Wherever we were, she would drop everything that she was doing and come and meet our needs. My name is Natasha Fualaau. I am 30 years old. I live in Des Moines, Washington. I am the eldest of late Pope and Teresa's children. I am most thankful to Mom just for her love, her support in everything that we do.
She definitely was like a mother to me. She's the best. Hi, honey. Love you and miss you tons.
Spiritual mother, thank you for all you've done for me, for your prayers, and just loving me the way you do.
Thank you for your unconditional love and care. I love you. I'm gonna miss you so much, but I know that you're at peace and happy that you're with Dad and your parents. And again, thank you.
We miss you very much, Mom. We love you. I'll try my best to take care of Nicky and Nat. We just want to thank you for all that you've done for us, all of our lives, for bringing us where we are today. Although you and Dad are not with us anymore, we know that you guys are in a better place, and we are forever grateful for the both of you, and we miss you guys so much. We love you guys.
I guess I just wanted to say, Mom, I love you. Thank you so much for everything. Like, you have no idea how much you've done for us. And I wish we would have said it more, but we love you so much. I hope you're having a good time. And we're gonna miss you.
Thank y'all. the support y'all have given us during this time and throughout our lives is immeasurable, and I can't thank you enough. But we appreciate all the love.
Tua